This is the inside view of my healthy fridge. On the right bottom shelf you've got a bottle of aloe vera drink. Aloe vera you add to water and this aloe vera is drank. You've got ginger on the right and garlic. Above that on the shelf you've got ginger again, one which I'm using. Bottom shelf, oranges, carrots, a crate of strawberries, and you've got spinach, spring onions, you've got lettuce, dark green leaf cabbage, organic potatoes, lemon and limes, Turkish pepper, red cut pepper and tomatoes. And to the left of that, the bottom shelf, the middle shelf is the water filter. I keep my water filter chilled so that I have fresh chilled water every time. So here's my healthy fridge. And food's not in here for long because we buy fresh and replace. We eat, buy, eat and buy. No storage, no preservative foods.